probably have. Are you recording again?
Here.
Mom! I can't make it down that way. I'm slow. Oh, that's nice. No. That's bad. Sheesh.
Hey.
Hey. Sheesh. It's bust. My hair. No. Mom, I looked bad.
That's what I just busted too.
Oh.
Really fun.
It
says the speed limit. It says the speed limit's 5. But if you go 20, it's like a race.
Why did I butterfly use? Yeah. Here's the creek. Not keep going. You can see a movie.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there it goes.
Can I walk across it though?
Oh, there. Oh, did you feel that? It bounced us up.
Yeah, I feel it.
There, it's bouncing us right there too.
Feel my heart.
When we came through the other time, it was. Oh, there it's bouncing us. When we came over the last time, it was a lot windier, and the bridge was moving up and down. So when we went across, we were going.
How deep is the water, Dad?
Probably 20
Did you
feet.
jump off the bridge?
I don't know. That's
Did you
where
walk across
the tractor fell through.
Wait, what?
A few years ago, a tractor fell through. Look at all the people that have scraped the side of their car on the pole.
That was so bad.
Look, these are the old tracks from the
Imagine
bridge.
driving on that, Dad. Your tires wouldn't even fit on that.
Oh, that'd be creepy. If that's all you're driving on. Ready? Here we go.
Oh. Stop. Here, I'll teach you. Go faster.
Ooh, you can feel it there.
Go faster.
You can feel it sinking.
No, don't go faster.
Yes.
No. You want us to break through? We could. They use the exact same foundation as the old bridge, but not the exact same treads.
One, two, three.
You can feel it bouncing behind us.
Uh-huh.
Stop me, please.
How many points does he have left to count it on your picture?
I'm gonna fall off.
You gotta hang on tight.
No, I'm gonna fall
Get
off.
so it's comfy. Oh, and are you gonna try this?
No, he already has a broken
We're
arm.
gonna run that direction until we start floating up into the sky, okay?
Okay, ready?
Ready, set, go.
No, thank you.
Now, is this a hitching post for that to put the hook in?
I thought it was a balance beam.
If it's a balance, it could be a balance beam.
There's the old tether ball right there.
That's what it is.
That's a tether ball.
This.
Oh, easy does it, ladies.
What? Go down the side again. Oh, it's moving. That was actually fun on the side. What was
Run as fast as you can. Go, 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 go as fast as you can. Whoa. Go, 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 go. Gotta keep moving, gotta keep moving. Oh, guys, do not get dizzy.
I'm dizzy. I know, me too.
Here comes Phoenix back the other way. Devin Booker down low to 8 and threw it too high. I'll tell you what, Michael, that's out of bounds turnover to the Lakers. Had Ayton caught that, it would have been another dunk.
Yeah, he beat Drummond down the court again. So he's looking like he's going to be a rim runner the way Robin Parrish used to do for Boston. So Drummond's got to get back and pick up Ayton a little sooner, a lot sooner.
Here's Dennis Schroeder with the ball on the right side. Schroeder had a big game the other night, picks up the ball and gives it to Wes Matthews. Now back to Schroeder on the right side, drives right at Devin Booker. Shoots over Booker, 15-footer short. Rebound, Mikal Bridges. Lakers are now 0 of 3 to start the game. Here's DeAndre Ayton. Guess what? Down the middle again. This time stolen by Drummond, and he gets it to LeBron. LeBron into the front court. LeBron down the middle. LeBron all the way. Lays it up and in. Ties the game at 2 with 10:15 remaining in the first. And Michael, the Suns are doing what you said they would do. Even after makes, they're running the ball down the other end. Here's Jay Crowder to Ayton. Another dub.
That's what they did well in game 1. They played at a very fast pace and caught the Lakers on their heels before they could set up their defense.
DeAndre Ayton having one of the great playoff series of all time. This guy is now 34 of 41 from the field. Here is Anthony Davis on the left wing. Davis with the ball, 10 seconds to shoot. Davis one-on-one against Jay Crowder, backing him in. Turns on Crowder, elevates over Crowder. 10-footer no good and a foul. First foul on Jay Crowder. First team foul on the Suns. It'll send Anthony Davis to the free throw line.
The other one was steeper
Toss
than
passing
that.
wings, misty tenders, juicy boneless wings.
Here, Dad, record. I don't want to go see him. Can you see him?
He's the same color.
That's recording.
When I stepped past him,
Where is it?
End of it.
look,
Ashlyn,
when I stepped past him, he
where's the end of it?
coiled up and struck
He's
at
long.
me. And then he was shaking his tail just like it was a rattle. But there's no rattle on the tail, so it's either the like
How do I stop it?
Oh,
the-
it's moving.
it's either like a blow snake where they pretend to be a rattlesnake,
Look how cute it is.
or it's a rattlesnake that lost its rattle. But I don't think
Ew,
so. I think
all
it's,
these red ants. Oh, they're so red. Ew.
How do I stop
think
it?
it's a rattlesnake. It's not alive. It's perfect. Lift it up a little bit higher up. That's it. Perfect. That's a great one. Yeah, there you go. Okay, where's Kenzie? You need to do the same thing with the fish.
And how do I put it down?
Yeah, so your parents. That's it. Perfect.
Oh, that's not that bad.
Okay, look
bad.
at me. Look at me. Look at me. Now look at like a piece of Jennifer. meat, a piece of hamburger. That's perfect. You can Yeah. sit it down. See, it's easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
Hold that up. And
I
then
hate
you
it so
take
much,
this
but
one
I
the
like
same
it.
exact way. Okay, now just get real close together. Dad, you can get in there too in just a second. That's all right. Smile. Okay, that's good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Get over there.
Grab a fish.
I'm gonna get there with you. So. This is just for,
Ew,
for
his
Mom.
face moved.
No, they're dead. No, he's dead.
I touched the
Here,
food.
just put the fish down and
Ew, I just made a
We'll just
slimy
stick it.
bubble.
There we go. Okay, smile again. Awesome. One more. Perfect.
Don't. I want don't.
What is this?
Oh, it wasn't.